Welcome students, welcome to the classes of B Pharma third semester. This is Rohit Kumar Trivedi. I will be teaching pharmaceutical engineering in this semester. Okay, currently we are studying the very first unit of the pharmaceutical engineering, that is size reduction. We have already discussed the many aspects of size reduction and many machineries for size reduction. You can get all those videos on my YouTube channel, okay, by the name Rohit Kumar Trivedi. Okay, today we will start another mill that is used for the processing of size reduction. Okay, and the name of the mill is end runner mill. Here it's a simple structure, and in this lecture we will be covering the principle, construction, working, advantage, disadvantage and few uses of end runner mill. This is Rohit Kumar Trivedi, assistant professor of pharmacy. You can reach to me using YouTube and Facebook. You can subscribe my YouTube channel for more pharmacy and educational videos, and also share the channel with your classmates too for the sharing information with one another. Okay, now let's start our today's topic, and runner mill. As we have already discussed before, learning about any equipment, we are required to learn the basic principle behind the working of the machinery. Okay, the principle of the end runner mill is compression. Okay, the compression or crushing, we can say. We have already discussed the many other principles also of the size reduction process, but the end runner mill works on the principle of compression. Okay, the compressive forces, the material is compressed between two surfaces and the size of the material is reduced into smaller particles. Okay, and now moving to the simple construction of the machine. Okay, I have mentioned a few points here. First of all, the pestle, motor, scraper and the motor, we can say. Okay, motor and motor, these are the two different things, and it is a basic structure or the diagram or diagrammatic representation of the end runner mill. Now let's locate all those parts on this structure. The very first is pestle. This is the pestle. As motor and pestle you have already studied in your B Pharma first semester. Okay, the simple, it is a pestle. The pestle is placed inside the motor for the size reduction of the material, and here this structure, you can observe this bowl like structure is our motor. Basically it is made up of metal, and in metals it is majority of the times it is made up of the steel, we can say. Okay, this is motor, and the motor is placed inside the, sorry, this is pestle is placed inside the motor. Okay, this is the placement of the our pestle. This is our motor. Okay, it is a metal bowl like structure in which pestle is placed, and the material of which we are going to reduce the size is also placed in the motor. And when we operate the machinery, between the motor and pestle, the compression forces, due to that compression forces, the particle size of the material is reduced. We will now, next we will be discussing the working also. Okay, now third part is scraper. Here you can see there are two scrapers, one with the pestle, okay, and the second scraper is with the motor. The basic function of the scraper is to remove or to scrap the material that have adhered to the surfaces of the pestle and the motor during the process of that compression and the crushing, we can see. Okay, the simple function of scraper is to remove the adhered material that have adhered on the surfaces of the pestle and motor due to the compressive forces. Okay, for the better size reduction results. And the last part is motor. Motor, basically it is an electric motor that is used for operating or rotating the bowl or steel motor, we can say. Okay, the simple electric motor is used for the movement of the steel motor. Okay, the motor rotates on its axis, due to which the material is reduced in size. Okay, next part, now let's discuss the another part of the end runner mill. Okay, these are the actual pictures of the end runner mill. Okay, here you can see it is motor, the bowl like structure is made up of steel majority of the times, and this is the scraper. Okay, scraper of the motor. This will remove the adhered material that have adhered on the surface of the motor. Okay, here the second part is pestle. It is currently the pestle is not placed inside the motor, and with a pastel, there is another scraper that removes the adhered material that have adhered on the pastel during the process of the compression. Okay, here in this structure, now we have placed the material into the mortar. We have placed our pastel into the mortar, and the scrapers are already at their places. When we operate this machinery, you can see this scraper is removing the material that have adhered on the surface of the mortar, and this scraper will remove the material that have adhered on the surface of pastel. Okay, so you are required to remember these simple things, and an electric motor will be rotating or operating this motor for the process of size reduction. Okay, now let's move towards the working of the end runner mill. I will show you a short video going through which you will easily get what exactly happening inside the end runner mill. Okay, now you can see here it is our motor. Now pastel is placed at its plates, material is placed inside the motor. This scraper here, you can see it is scraping the material that have adhered on the surface of the motor, and this scraper is removing the material that have adhered on the surface of the pastel. Okay, this is simple construction and the simple working of the end runner mill. Okay, now I think you might have got the idea how exactly this machine is working. Okay, so working of the end runner mill is very easy. Okay, now let's move towards the uses of the end runner mill. Okay, the basic use of the end runner mill is it is suitable for the fine grinding. If you want to have the fine material, okay, powdered material, this machinery is suitable. But you are required to remember one thing: it is a conventional method or conventional machine. This machine is nowadays replaced by other several efficient and the sophisticated machinery that is being used for the process of size reduction. Means this machine is not used nowadays very much in the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, this machine is being replaced by the other sophisticated machineries that are being used for the process of size reduction. Okay, now let's move towards the advantages and the disadvantages of the end runner mill. The advantage is it is suitable for the fine grinding. We will be having the fine material we will be getting the fine material after grinding that material inside the end runner mill. But the disadvantage this machinery is not suitable for the material that are unbroken. Means large size particles cannot be processed in the end runner mill. We are required to process that material initially into other mills. It should be broken down into small particles, and those small particles are converted into fine powdered state by using end runner mill. Large size material or large size you can say particles cannot be broken down or cannot be converted into powdered form by using the end runner mill. Okay, so this was all about the end runner mill. I hope you people would have got all the things that I wanted to make you understand. Okay, if you have any question regarding this topic, you can definitely comment in the comment box. Okay, I will be posting this PowerPoint presentation PDF file also in the comment box. Okay, just go through the comment box, you can simply download this PowerPoint presentation. And if you have any question, any doubt in your mind, you can definitely ask anytime. Okay, and you already know this is Rohit Kumar Trivedi. Do subscribe this YouTube channel, okay, for more pharmacy and educational videos. I will try to cover each and every topic, but currently I have started the pharmaceutical engineering, the diploma pharmacy, pharmaceutics, and the pharmaceutical jurisprudence. Okay, follow on YouTube and Facebook as well. I keep on posting the information regarding all these videos. You can get all the notification very instantly if you subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, till then, happy learning. Bye bye.